In this video, I want to demonstrate how to do a pad slab. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your parts and your tools ready to do this job. This job is going to require a torque wrench, a small mini pry bar, a set of brake pads, the anti-rattle clips that come with the brake pads, and a ratchet and a socket. And that socket is 17 millimeter. So what you want to do, you want to come back here, locate your bolts. So 1, 2. These are your slide pins as well as your bolts for the caliper that we'll be taking off. And this here is your caliper bracket. So what we're going to do is we're going to first hold that there. Second. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to introduce our mini pry bar. And then we're going to ever so gently push the piston back. All right, that feels good. Now, just want to make sure it slides. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sliding. So that's good. So at least we know it slides, it's not hung up. So now we're going to try to take these out. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of room here. So I can just, all right, that's good. Loosen that a little bit. And then here, same thing. Just give a little room. And then that out. I like to take the bottom one all the way out. Easier with an air ratchet, but not everybody has an air ratchet. Okay, so now to clean your pin. And you want to make sure your threads are clean too as well. That's good. We're going to lubricate that in a minute. And now we're going to find our S-hook to mount our caliper. Find a hole in the frame. Let it hang there. May blind our view here. Finding a good spot for this X-hook is pretty crucial here. Let's go maybe here. This will be out of the way. So from there, have this kind of up. Trying to. Don't have the greatest camera here, so or mount. Just this back one out. All right, so I feel like. Okay. Now same thing. Just leave it there a second. This pin. Whoop. Sorry, I was on my rag area. Alright. See this pin? Clean it. And then from here, we're going to take this off and then hook it. So now we're going to remove the pads itself. From here, want to try to wedge something in between. Sometimes it's easy to get to, sometimes it's not. Oh, there's that. That one's out. Now what we want to do now is take our brush. Now we're going to get our brush and just knock some of this stuff off. So we're going to be replacing these little clips here, these little anti-rattle clips. They don't always come out easy, but you want to watch out for the orientation of how they went, how they came out. Oops. Sometimes they do that. Let's go grab that one. So this one here, and then like that. Now you want to get the same one. And that looks like it's it there. So now we're going to push this in. Down to the seats. There you go, you heard that pop, that's good. Same thing. All right, same thing we're going to do here. Tuning tab up. That. This one's not it. Trying to show you here. I'm sorry. I'm just like a camera person. And this one looks like it's it. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Instead of getting your finger cut, because you're wearing rubber gloves. There's heavier gloves you could wear, but you got rubber gloves. Push these up. So that's good. And then here, same thing. You want to come on to the other side. Ready. All right, now we're gonna pop this one up. Let's see what we got here. Oh. I feel like I'm working backwards here. So we're gonna go. All right, so this is the right one here. It's the groove here. Then we're gonna push this one in. Same thing. All right, that looks good. Heard that. Let's make it the same. And this one, I'm gonna push this one out. So before I take this one off, I'm just gonna look at it. It's the last one, but you always should look, because sometimes the kits aren't right. You gotta reuse the old one or get a new kit, hardware kit. Probably give it to you because they messed up, but yeah, push this in. All right. All right, so that's in. That's in. This is in. So now we just want to put our pads in. It goes with the shape of the rotor, so you don't want to put your pad in like this. You want to turn it like this. Push. Newer clips, sometimes it's a little bit challenging to get them on too. You could feel it go in. That's good. And then the other side, same thing. Gonna push the other side in. Put it in sideways, turn it, push it in. All right, so that's both in here. Now from here, we want to check our caliper. Make sure nothing is, this is the piston, this is the dust boot, and inside here is a square cut seal. And if it's leaking, then replacing this whole thing because no one rebuilds them anymore. So that looks good. Me personally, I like to spray it. It's good. Spray it, wipe it down. Especially if you got a cart sits. Our pins, we took out brake lubricant. So we're just gonna take a little bit here. You really don't want to get it on the top here, because sometimes it happens, things happen. Just take both pins. Put a little bit more. We're sharing it here. Roll it. All right, that's good. Just make sure nothing's here. Nothing's here. That's good. So now we're going to be putting this caliper back on. So we're going to get our boot out of the way. So from here, let's get it to sit for a second. This to sit for a second. Now as you're running it in, and you could use different things, but I'm not a big fan of using air ratchets on this. So these are, we're gonna end up just torquing these. Because this thing should be sliding. Doing that. All right, so then from there, I'm gonna set our torque wrench. And then try to get as good as one swing as you can, but I have my thing propped up here, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to do that. I'm gonna try it anyway. Just all one motion if you can. And that's good. As long as you don't go past the click, we're good. Yeah, we're good. It's barely anything. But same thing here. All right, do it again. And that's good. And that is how you do a pad slap on a disc brake. One more thing I forgot to show you was it actually slides even after we put the pads in. So it should slide back and forth. All right, thanks for watching.
Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left go right.